Hello everyone, welcome to my channel VS Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful flower rangoli. First, this is the continuation of my previous rangoli. I am arranging the yellow flowers in the first row. Next, I have taken this reusable rangoli. I am arranging them. It depends upon your choice, however you can do it. And this bangle rangoli, which I have made them in the previous video. This one is Gotapatti rangoli. It depends upon your choice. You can arrange however you want. Place them equally with the same distance. I have kept alternate bangles and square bangles. To make it something different. Now I am going to keep these yellow flowers. Alternatively, one rose and one yellow flower. In between those two, if you want, you can add more flowers. It depends upon your choice. It's done now. I am keeping these LED candles. Thank you for watching. It depends upon your choice, however you can arrange these candles. Now it is done. Thanks for watching. It looks beautiful in the night view also. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to press the bell icon for my further videos. I hope you liked it. Now one more video will do. Flower rangoli. I have taken this center diya holder and arranging around it yellow flower petals. thick layer of yellow petals I am arranging. Next layer I am going to arrange with the rose petals. I am arranging the thick layer of rose petals here. It is your wish, you can take how many flowers you want, different varieties of flowers. Since I was having these 3 type, I used them in all the videos. It depends upon your choice. This third layer I put cream color flower petals. They are simple but look beautiful during the festivals and all. Now I'll keep these battery operated LED candles. I hope you liked it. It's done now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.